I wanted to talk a little bit more about my bird feeder here, and this has been a great thing to have because I do have a lot of squirrels that eat up the majority of the food, but this time here I have it. I hung it up. It's about maybe a couple feet, like 7 to 8 feet on a pole, and this could go anywhere. It's a little heavy, so when you add the seats, it makes it a little heavier. Make sure you have that reinforcement. And this thing goes a long way. It brings so many attention to birds. And right now, the world needs it because they spread the seeds, they grow plants, they grow trees. So if you guys have enough space, I highly recommend you one of these setting up in the backyard. Now, just be aware that this thing gets heavy after you actually add seeds. So if you're going to do this, you make sure you have access to it to take it off and put it back on. All right. That's one thing I kind of letting you know up front because I actually have to use a ladder just to come up here and refeed it. Now, the great thing about it is opening the top. It's a slide. You just slide it up and drop in your seeds and you're ready to go. But highly recommend you do this on the ground instead of the air, but like I do. So if you have something, you're going to need a funnel if you go high. All right. So very simple to put together. It hangs. It comes with its own hook if you don't have one. Put together and feed the birds. I hope you guys enjoy this video.